This is the first minority museum. It's a part of the Danish history through many, several hundred years, where the Jews is a part of the Danish citizens. The logo for the museum is mitzvah, a Hebrew word for the good things you do and the good things you receive. And here it is the good thing that the citizens and the government did for the Jews in Denmark during the Second World War. Denmark is a very normally peaceful country, a very democratic country, and yes, very peaceful. And it's the first time in many years that the Jews are not wanted in some areas, which is because we had an attack 1.5 years ago, where a young man, as you probably know, he was a guard for the synagogue, and he was killed. Yes. So everywhere, the Jewish school and Jewish institution in Copenhagen are guarded.
I don't know if we learned the lesson. We were afraid it should happen one day here also, as it does in most of Europe. But all the work you can see around is we try to make it safer to be here, and with the help of the Danish government, with the help of the intelligence service and everything, they have asked us to make a few things to make it safer for Jews to stay in the country.